How did a humble music company from India rise to international fame, dethroning even the likes of PewDiePie to become the most subscribed YouTube channel globally? Welcome to the fascinating journey of T-Series, the record label and film production company that conquered YouTube. In the early days of the 1980s, Gulshan Kumar, a fruit juice seller in Delhi, India, made a bold move. He established Super Cassettes Industries Limited, later known as T-Series. Kumar initially focused on selling pirated Bollywood songs before deciding to produce original music. It was a gamble that paid off. By the end of the decade, T-Series had become a household name in India. With the advent of the new millennium, T-Series expanded its focus to film production. The company's first major hit, Tum Bin, released in 2001, was a surprise success. This success story continued with many other films, solidifying T-Series' status as a leading player in the Indian entertainment industry. Then came the rise of the digital age. In 2006, YouTube was just a year old and T-Series saw its potential. They took a leap of faith and started their YouTube channel. In the beginning, they simply uploaded music videos and movie trailers. But as YouTube's popularity grew, so did T-Series. By 2013, T-Series had amassed a staggering 1 billion views. This was only the beginning. The company realized the potential of YouTube as a platform and began to diversify its content. They started producing and uploading a variety of content, including fitness videos and web series. The year 2018 marked a significant milestone in T-Series' journey. The channel was in a neck-to-neck race with Swedish YouTuber PewDiePie for the title of the most subscribed YouTube channel. The competition garnered international attention, and in the end, T-Series emerged victorious. It became the first YouTube channel to reach 100 million subscribers, a feat it achieved in 2019. Today, T-Series is a global sensation. It has revolutionized the way audiences consume entertainment, particularly in India, where it has played a significant role in the digital revolution. To summarize, T-Series' journey to global fame began with selling pirated cassettes in the 1980s. It then ventured into film production in the new millennium, creating several successful movies. The real game changer, however, was its decision to join YouTube in its early days. This move, coupled with its diverse content and the popularity of Indian entertainment globally, propelled T-Series to the top, making it the most subscribed YouTube channel globally. T-Series is a testament to the power of digital platforms and the potential they hold for entertainment companies worldwide. It's a story that continues to inspire and captivate millions around the globe.